Hi guys, MyTechTalks, back again with another video, and today is just going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your Apple Music account to your family one, so you can save quite a bit of money. So what you're going to do first is, now this is where it got a bit confusing, you see. I have a Samsung, S10 Plus. Now, had to get an iPhone 6S. To do this, because you can't do it on a Samsung or an Android device. You have to do it on an iPhone. You can't upgrade on a Samsung, and I'll show you what I mean, which is very, very frustrating. Because if you want to upgrade, and you just can't, basically. So here we go. I'll show you what to do. First, what you're going to do is, you're going to go onto the tab for your Android. Look, I'll show you I'll show you everything. Look. There you go. Nothing in here about upgrading at all, apart from dark mode. Now, click on it again, go onto the account if you've got an Android, and then what you do is, look, there's nothing here either. I'm not going to show you down there because my Gmail's down there. So, look, there's nothing on here either, which is really, really annoying. So, what you're going to do is, you're going to go on your Apple device, you're going to sign in with the same account, because it works. This is what I like about Apple Music. You're going to go onto For You. You're going to click your ID. See, if you do the same thing on here, on the Android, it doesn't let you do it. For example, look, watch, I'll show you. Look, For You, same as the, okay, let's do that again so it shows you, so I can show you. For You, ID, look, nothing. Literally nothing. So, this is why you need the iPhone, which is very, very frustrating. So, yeah, kind of frustrating that is. So, here we go. That's not in focus. So, what you're going to do is, you're going to click on Upgrade to Family Plan. JBL Pulse free in the background. So, what you're going to do is, 3 months. English, 3 months free. So what you're going to do is, you technically, what you could do is you could, buy this yourself, £15 a month, $14.99, but it's a penny, it doesn't really make a difference. So what you could do is, you could dish this out to all your family members, up to 6 people, and you could charge them £5 a month, and it's still 50% less than getting your own individual plan, and then you make money. Or it sounds very harsh and mean, that does, but you could actually just sell it to people, I guess, who you could just sell it to your friends and be like, oh, I've got Apple Music, you can use it on an Android and it's a bit better, and then you could get a £5 from every month, and then they win, you win, because you get it paid for. You only need 3 people, and then that's it. So you upgrade. What do you do here? Sign into iTunes Store, enter password for Gmail to enable new fingerprints, and got to put a password. So you put your password in, guys. Just getting my password, I'll turn it up a sec. I'm gonna have to get my password, I forgot it. Just enjoy the music. Okay, I'm back. just check the password. I forgot the password. That's not very good to forget the password. Okay, so what you do is uses family sharing. Problem is though, I think this only works if you have an iPhone, because if you're going to be the family owner, I think you need an iPhone. So I'm going to have to keep this phone if I need to change anything. So if you've got a Samsung, I don't know if you would be able to change things on there, because it's not an iPhone, like, you know, settings wise, because it's Apple, because Apple's a pain in the arse sometimes. Okay, so what we got here, we got basically, I'll read it out to you. Family Apple Music subscription, no commitment, cancel anytime. No commitment, cancel anytime, you can read that. And then confirm with Touch ID, so then you can do... See, you can't do this on the Samsung phone, that's just very annoying. So you confirm with Touch ID. There we go. It's going through. Okay, what does it say here? You already have Apple Music. Yeah, I know, otherwise I wouldn't be able to play that. Of course I have. You already have Apple Music. Your wireless plan includes an Apple Music subscription. That's confusing. Oh man, I need to cancel it. That is very annoying. So how do you do that? Oh, Apple, you are so annoying. Look, I might have to cancel my account, which means I'd have to delete everything. Oh, this is when I hate Apple sometimes. Okay, well, what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna have to go onto it's a good song, by the way. I'm gonna have to go onto my EE account. So what you do, well, if you've got EE, you bought the Apple Music through EE, then you go onto EE, my EE, verify with your Touch ID through your screen or whatever, or put the password in, your choice. These are copyright-free songs, by the way. Okay, what you're going to do, covering up my phone number, what you're going to do is you're going to go onto your add-ons, and then go onto removable add-ons if you want to cancel it and put it back on. Click on Apple Music, and then you press remove add-on. Sure you want to remove Apple Music? Yes! Oh, don't know how bad this is going to be. All done. We've removed Apple Music from your account from this phone. This point on, you won't be charged for it. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Of course, I won't be charged for it. No. Maybe later. I always put maybe later. I can't be asked. Turn this down a tad. Okay, now if I went into Apple Music now, and then went on to here, oh wait, I have to do it on the, I'm a dumb person. I have to do it on Okay, let's try it now. Upgrade. Done. This device is linked to another Apple ID. You must transfer this device to your Apple ID to join Apple Music. You will be able to transfer this device again for 90 days. This device is linked to another Apple ID. Okay, let's try it again, guys. Oh crap. Wrong thumb. Oh my god, Apple is so painful. Sign into iCloud before you can invite family members. Sign in. Set up iCloud as my name. You are signed into iTunes and Apple Store as at gmail.com. If you are not blank, then you use a different Apple ID. Continue. Okay, you have to sign in with your password, I think. Okay, let's hope the password's right this time. Oh, that won't help putting in the wrong number. Sign in. Signing into iCloud. £15 a month. This is an iPhone 6s Plus. It's probably going to take a while for this to load. Enter iPhone password. The password is... Oh. This is how you do it, guys. Just got a text message, probably from Apple. Okay, your Apple Music membership has now ended. We hope you enjoyed it! Exclamation point. You'll get a refund on your next bill for all the days of this month membership that you didn't use. Thanks, E. I better not delete all my stuff. I'll be very annoyed. Here we go, guys. Apple Music subscription. Okay, now if I go into Apple Music. Upgrade. Hopefully this works. You're already an Apple Music member. Wait, did I? One sec. See how complicated things are, Apple? This is how complicated you make things. Apple Music, I'm just going to read it out loud. Apple Music subscription, 3 months free. Subscription, Apple Music family subscription. Date of purchase, blah, blah, blah. 2020. I'm not going to read that out. Subscription price, 15 a month. Starting on blah, blah, blah. Payment method, blah, 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 blah. You won't be charged for the free trial. After the free trial ends, your subscription will renew at $14.99 unless you cancelled by blah blah blah. You've purchased the following. Okay, so Apple Music has gone through. Okay, let me just blank out that. Is that all I need to blank out? Yeah, okay. I need to blank out that too. I didn't really need to do that, but you know, some people use the smallest little letter in your name and then you're done. Literally like that. That was a terrible click. Let me go again. Sorry if you're wearing headphones, that would have probably been quite loud. Yeah, so let's go into Apple Music now, and let's see if it's actually bloody worked. Let's open it up. Cancel. No, we do not want to do that. Okay, exit. Exit Apple Music. For you, come on, let's check this up. Yes! Yes, people! It worked! Thank you, Jesus. I shouldn't say that. Okay, so here we go. There you go, proof. It actually, you have to do it on an iPhone because Apple, basically. That's the only explanation. View profile. I would show you, but you know, don't want to like give you all my account details and stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if this helped you out. Like the video too. There you go. If you want to search my song playlist, then it's right here. Then yeah, cool. There's my thingy bob if you want to see my playlist. Got some banging tunes, to be perfectly honest. Like one here. These are good ones. Billie Eilish, that's good. They're banging tunes. Check that guy out, he's good. That one's good. Can't play it though, copyright reasons. But banging tunes. Check my playlist out. Put it into your library. Got a few playlists. I update them every couple of days. So yeah, awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, thanks for watching.